What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tuned Engines. On today's episode, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can fix your own cracked windshield with this small kit. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we're gonna be using this kit from Walmart. I went ahead and got it, was like around $10 I think, and it works amazingly good to fix cracked windshields, rock chips, or anything you might have to work. And it does not work on big cracks like over 6 inches. Like, you're not supposed to be doing that anyway, because like if it's over 6 inches, you might as well replace your whole windshield for safety reasons. Alright guys, and just so you know, this kit works well at fixing rock chips around like a 1/4 inch in size. And also guys, this is good to prevent some bigger cracks from happening to your car. So if you have a rock chip, it's always good to go ahead and replace it as soon as possible, or fix it so your windshield doesn't get any more crack. Alright guys, let me go ahead and tell you what this kit comes with. So first of all, it comes with this suction cup you put over your cracked windshield. And then it comes with this little, what's called, adapter, I guess. And that's where you put your resin in. And it screws on where your suction cup goes. And then you can unscrew the middle part and put your resin inside. And basically all you have to do is screw it back in so you can push the resin for your windshield in there all the way down, and so you can fix its crack. It comes with the resin itself. And also comes with the blade so you can take off the leftover resin. And the last thing is that it comes with these little, what's it called, like these little sheets of plastic. We put resin on, then you go ahead and put it on the crack so you can go ahead and fix it. Alright guys, and as you can see, this is the damage you're going to be fixing. Unfortunately, a rock hit the windshield and cracked it, but no biggie, we're going to go ahead and fix it. Alright guys, so the first step is you want to go ahead and open your windshield repair kit. And I already went ahead and showed you all the pieces that come with this kit, so you can go ahead and replace your own cracked windshield. Alright guys, and just a little heads up, be careful when you're gonna read the instructions, because the instructions actually have these little plastic pieces you need at the end, and you do not want to get any dirt or anything on them, because then that will be stuck onto your glass. Alright guys, so the first step is you want to go ahead and get the razor blade that comes in the kit, and you want to start scraping off any leftover pieces of glass or anything so you can have a clean surface to work on. Alright guys, so now that you're done scraping off any leftover pieces of glass, you want to go ahead and get a towel or something and go ahead and take off any remaining loose pieces of glass in there. As you can see, mine's already clean, that's why I'm able to touch it, but you first want to clean it. Alright guys, now the third step is you want to go ahead and put the suction cup thing over your damaged windshield. And you want to make sure it's right on top of the crack. Then you're going to go ahead and get your container and unscrew the top. And go ahead and screw it right into your suction cup. And this is the important part guys, you want to go ahead and make sure that the little rubber piece is flat and making full contact with your windshield. And you can check it from the inside, and you can see that it's making full contact on all the sides. And now we can go ahead and put our resin in so we can start fixing this damaged windshield. Now that you're done putting your resin, you want to go ahead and start screwing on the cap that actually pushes the resin down. You want to go ahead and make sure it's tight. Alright guys, so now that we've done it, we gotta wait 6 minutes for the resin to cure, and then I'll show you what to do next. But yeah, let's keep on going. It's going good so far. I refuse to hide. Alright guys, after 10 minutes you can go ahead and remove the whole suction cup piece and all the parts on top of it. And just lift up, and then you can go ahead and get one of your plastic sheets, put a little bit of resin on it, and put it right on top of a cracked area or cracked windshield. And then you want to leave it there for another 5 to 10 minutes until it dries completely. And also guys, you can go ahead and get a paper towel and clean up any leftover resin. Okay, so this is just an update. It's been like around 5 minutes, and like you can see that there's nothing anymore. It's just like a really small line, but like you can't really tell. So we're gonna keep on letting it dry for another 5 minutes, and I'll come back with you and update. And this is from the inside view. Alright guys, as you can see, we're done. You can't even see anything anymore. Like, it's like pretty much gone. Alright guys, now that it's straight, you can go ahead and remove the plastic sheet. Again, you just want to peel up and peel away like that. And then you want to go ahead and get your razor blade one more time and scrape off the leftover resin that dried up around the cracked area. And you want to do that until you get everything off from the windshield. Alright guys, as you can see, it's completely away. Now let me show you before and then on after. And you can see that, like, you can't even see it guys. Let me see if y'all can see. I'll give you like a few seconds. Let me know if you can see it. Y'all can't? Alright, well let me go ahead and tell you where it's at. Even I can't find it. I'm joking. It's right there guys. You can barely see it. You should know that after you're done doing this, you're always gonna have like a little mark at the end, but that's just because like you can't really take that mark away. Let me see if I can focus there, and you can see that you can barely see anything guys. And let me go ahead and show you how it looks from the inside too. Alright guys, so this is an inside view. As you can see, in some certain angles you can still see like small lines or small cracks from the inside. But you can't see it from the outside. It's just certain angles you can see it, but it's no biggie. You can barely even tell. Alright guys, as you saw, it looks brand new again. So this thing works amazingly. So if you ever have a rock chip or anything, guys, you can use this $10 piece out from Walmart and fix any cracks or anything you might have in your car. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so everyone knows how to fix their windshield in the future. But yeah guys, I'll see you next time.